Hi, this is Scott White, your right brain WordPress geek. Not many business owners thought about the following 3 things even before they set up and build their first website. It's only when one has a problem with building it or when they decide to switch the host or domain name, they realize how frustrating it can be. The 3 steps I'll be sharing in a while can help save you many heartaches, headaches, and money aches. The aim is to help you settle your domain name and web host all under one service provider. It can be complicated when you need to add DNS record or pointing to the domain name register or to the web host from different companies. Now, assuming you have decided why you need a website, to whom it is for, and what you expect the users to do, let's start with step number 1. Step number 1. Decide on a domain name. Decide if you want a .sg, .com.sg domain name or not. This will help you trim down the selection of web hosts later. With .com, .net or all other domain names minus .sg, you have full of choices. However, if you are using .sg, you can either purchase the name and hosting from a local company or buy the .sg domain name and then link it to the web host of your choice. However, if possible, I would not advise this because it's better to have one company handling both unless you are very comfortable with multiple logins and messing around with the settings. So, step 1. Decide on the domain name. Step 2. Research on a preferred web builder. A web builder is a platform that allows you to build up a website. This is especially important if you are planning to build the website all by yourself or intend to update yourself after your web developer has built the website for you. It all depends on the purpose of your website as different platforms has different strengths. Of course, not forgetting the cost. First, there is the open platform with WordPress, Joomla, Drupal taking the lead. All of them have a learning curve, they are gentle and widely used, and I recommend WordPress. The best part, they are free to install and use. However, if you want a really fancy template or specialized plugin, there will be some cost involved. Then we have closed platforms such as Wix, Squarespace, Weebly or even Shopify. Their systems are proprietary and you have to pay a monthly subscription if you want to have your domain name. They have relatively fewer plugins or apps compared to WordPress. For example, in Shopify, some specialized apps demands extra monthly subscription. And that's step 2, finding out if you want a closed or open platform web builder. And finally, step 3. In step 3, you decide on a web host. So, if your domain name is a non-SG and you want a closed platform web builder, you can sign up right now with them. Their step-by-step instruction will guide you quickly through the steps. However, if you decide with an open platform such as WordPress and using a .sg domain, it is best to look for a local web hosting company. If you are using a non.sg domain name, you can go forth and look for the best hosting company around the world. Whether you are using .sg or not, there are 3 essential factors to look out for. 1. Is it specialized in your choice of open platform like WordPress? This is crucial as the last thing you want is to have a support crew passing your requests around the departments, wasting precious time. Or even worse, telling you that WordPress is not their specialty. Number 2. What kind of support system do they have? Is it by phone, email, ticketing, live messaging? A word of caution, email and ticketing only system can be frustrating when you urgently want your website to be fixed and you can't find answers on your FAQ or knowledge base. And number 3, do they have a local server? Where the website is concerned, speed is always crucial. Besides giving your visitor a good experience, Google also track your website speed as one of criteria in page ranking. If your clients or customers are mainly in Singapore, you should get a web host that has data center in Singapore. The difference between a local and overseas servers can be a couple seconds or more. it makes a great difference when stats shows that 40% of website visitors leave the site if it doesn't load in just 3 seconds. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'm still looking for a straightforward way to explain the steps. And if this video still seems a bit complicated, please message me and ask me some questions. If you have been finding this helpful, please message me an email too. And thank you again, I'm Kok Wai, your right brain WordPress geek.